Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to repair a database in Nagios XI using the database repair script. Repairing the database in Nagios XI is crucial because the system relies heavily on structured MySQL/MariaDB tables to store monitoring data, configuration, and user settings. If a table becomes corrupted or missing, it can cause data loss, interface errors, or a complete failure of core features. Repairing restores stability and ensures accurate monitoring. Let's dive right into today's repair video. Here I have an instance of Nagios XI where the database is broken. We can see at the top that it says database error. It tells us that a database connection error has been detected. Please follow the repair prompt below. If the issue persists, please contact Nagios support. It then tells us to, from the command line as root, to attempt to repair the database. It gives us this database script. All we have to do is copy this whole script and paste it into the command line of where our Nagios XI is hosted onto. The repair script entails /user /local /Nagios XI /scripts /repair _databases.sh. We can press enter and the script will run and it will repair our database for Nagios XI. As we can tell at the bottom, we can verify that it has been repaired by it saying Nagios database repair succeeded. Now we can head over to our Nagios XI and refresh our page. As we can tell, the database error is still here, and all we have to do is reload the page. I can log in, and we can see that our Nagios XI is up and running and our database is repaired. And that's it. I hope everyone was able to repair their database efficiently and effectively. If you need any more support or additional assistance, visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.